What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be working on my dad's Boxster, his 986. It's been having a rough idle or no start issue, and I know what it is. It is the fuel pump, because the fuel pump pressure is about 20 psi, which is unacceptable. So I'll show you guys how to test it and fix it. First thing you want to do is pop the convertible top up. Then you want to remove these cables over here from the side of the top, which is a spot right there on both sides. Then you want to remove this from over there. There's a few videos online how to do it. Then you want to remove the top cover. Schrader valve for the fuel rail is over here on this side. Now you don't have to use the snap-on kit, but this is just what I have. So check to there, and let me show you guys what the fuel pressure is. As you guys just saw, that is unacceptable. I'm sure the spec is about 58 to 60 psi. So we need a new fuel pump. And with that, we're gonna do the filter. I believe it's one assembly, so let's order it. It'll be here in a few days, and then we'll resume. Okay, we got the new fuel pump. Now we remove the battery. Now time to remove the battery tray. Remove the 4 nuts on the corners. And remove the tray itself. And honestly, while you're here, clean out these drains if you've never cleaned them before, or regardless, it's just a good idea to do. But let's get started. Remove this. I'll push that to the side right over there. Remove the fuel pump connector. Check the pins. None of them look burnt, so they should be good. I'll push that to the side. Okay. Time to remove the feed and the return, I believe is what they are. Okay.
And they could look plastic, huh?
Yeah.
That's hard. That's hard though. That's plastic. They should have a wrench.
Yeah, I just don't have it.
You want me to hold that thing for you?
No, it's okay.
You know what you can do? And I will measure that.
Make a tool?
Yeah, well, we can make sure out of metal or plastic. If it's PVC pipe.
They make them.
They do? Okay.
Yeah, I just don't have it.
Yeah, I'm sure they make it.
You can disconnect these lines right here. Like that. Then remove the fuel level sending unit. It broke. So this is why this fuel pump failed. These lines broke right here. It wasn't getting fuel into it.
Plastic, I mean, yeah.
Yep. For reference, this right here's what it should look like. Crazy. All right, well, this is what the inside of the fuel pump looks like. That's what it looks like on the inside of a 996 and 986. Now that we've got it installed, we need to install the fuel lever cylinder over there. Okay, got this in, got the lines connected, got the power line connected, and then we just need to install it in the same orientation it was removed, which is like such. I need to do it that way. All right, let me get these back connected. Okay. top scooting. When getting a jerry can to fill up the Porsche, afterwards you need to use a metal screwdriver or something, and listen to this. It has a little ball at the bottom of the filler tube that will move, it will release so you can add fuel. The reason it's there is if you get in a rollover accident, the fuel does not come out the car. So listen to this. You want to hear that sound, then you're able to dump fuel into it. Fuel pressure. Let's turn the ignition on. Perfect.
The gun was behind the seat.
Yeah. This thing's in good shape.
Yeah, I did.
Has a few leaks that need to be fixed, but that's it.